The birds are already whistling to you, yeah. The back is going to be shorter and the front is longer, right? Okay.
It's a style now.
Short in the back, long in the front, girls.
Yeah. Every day she comes. Yes, call my. Now I just everybody. Yeah.
Just straight your speak up and don't talk.
Bit of warmer here than Johannesburg.
We feel cold in this weather.
Is it?
A lot of jackets. We carry our jackets. Oh, much
Stop it here.
But I'm going to nip her finger now with the scissors.
Yeah, cut it off.
Cut the finger.
I'll sit in here, don't worry.
Lotion.
Calamine.
Calamine.
Look straight.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Because of all this long hair. Grandfather used
It's not different, yeah? It's not different. I'm one auntie, I'm very strict. I'm
And then, yeah, you can give me all your friends and your nieces and your cousins.